Ay, hinintay ko si Reaper. Ang sarap dito. Pero, hindi ako tatagal. Nasa labas. Kailangan ng konting init. Si Reaper, may nginat-ngat na naman doon na basura. It's all white. Good morning, everyone. Let's have just let's get a lip balm. This is from CoverGirl. Ayan. With tint siya. Konting tint. Then, meron din siyang iba't ibang flavor or shade that you can choose from. So, good morning again. Today is Friday, January 10. And there will be a forecast of snow today around 9 a.m. So, time check, it's 7:10 a.m. There you go. So they said there will be a storm or winter storm today. I'm talking to my family. Hi. Say hi, Ma. Say hi. See, I'm using my earphone. Probably can't. Oh! I disconnected. Let's call her again.
Vlog ka na dyan. Hello! Hello, everybody! Hi!
I always call them every morning and before bedtime. Ayan. Kasi gabi na sa kanila ng morning sa amin, then gabi sa amin, morning doon. Yun. Pahipahinga lang ako mga inday dahil kakatapos ko lang din maglinis. Yung mga ilalim nitong couch, pinagwawalis-walis ko dahil medyo madumi siya. Tapos nagmap na rin ako and all from here to our bedrooms. Ayan. So, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko ulit. Pahinga muna and then check something to do today. Hindi pa naman ako nagugutom. I haven't eaten my breakfast yet, but I already took my golden juice. So, it's snowing, guys. Dahil dyan, masarap humigop ng mainit na sabaw. I'm now cooking nilagang buto-buto. I'll just, like pork ribs. Yeah, pork ribs siya. Tapos, lalagyan ko lang siya ng sibuyas, patis, tsaka pepper. That's it. And then, garnished with onion leeks. Let's eat! Still snowing outside. So, I got pork ribs nilaga, my sausawan, and then, Dr. Pepper.
A few moments later.
We are going outside with the dogs. Kinuha ko lang yung jacket ko and then my boots. Zoe, come here! Zoe really don't like rain and snow. Let's go outside. We'll go here. Outside. There's something here. Come on. It is still snowing. Uy. Dito kami sa may playground. So, Reaper, may nginat-ngat na naman doon na basura. It's all white. Reaper! Yeah, I decided to go out kasi kanina nandun lang ako sa sa room. And then I just opened the window para nakikita ko. And then ayun na nga, sabi ko, it's time to go out. And let's see outside and feel the snow, the weather. It's really white in here. Yan, naglagay sila ng salt kanina sa road kaya walang snow dyan. And sabi rin ni Warren, iba rin kasi yung init nung concrete kaya natutunaw sila kagad. Ayan. We're covered by snow. Ito yung playground ng mga bata and then ito yung trampoline. Trampoline. And then meron parang dalawa pang truck si Warren dito. Parang project trucks niya. I don't know if ibibenta niya yan or getting the parts only. And it's getting cold. Hey! Si Zoe. Zoe's not fan of wet grounds, rain, snow, cold weather. Kaya hindi masyadong pupunta. Hindi pa lang ganito yung mga bata dito na puno na ng snow. Tahimik dito, walang mga tao. Ako lang nga nandito eh. Sabi ni Marin, why are you not going outside? Why are you not playing in the snow? I thought you like cold weather. It's still cold. I already thought you like cold weather. Tumawag kasi siya. Kanina lang. Tumawag siya from work. Break time niya. Sabi ko, I probably go outside with the dogs to let them pee and poop. Nagboots ako guys kasi last time, Diyos ko, basang-basa yung medyas ko nung naka-rubber shoes lang ako. Reaper, come on! Kaya pala yung mga tao, lagi naka-boots kapag snowy. Kasi talagang papasok sa loob at mababasa ang inyong medyas. Whew! I'm on the porch. Huh! Whew! Come on! Reaper! Oh, si Reaper, stuck mo. Yeah, Mia, go inside na. It's too cold. I need some warmth. Oh, nice. Let's see kung lalabas si Zoe. Come on! You wanna go outside? Come on! Zoe! Come on, let's go outside. She don't like. Where's Reaper? Reaper! May driveway dito. Ayan, na-covered na ng snow. Reaper! Ah, nandun sa ano? Nandun sa kabilang bahay. Ano yung mga baka nandun? Nagtatago. Time check, it's already 4:45 p.m. And ang kapal na ng yelo. Ayan, pinalabas ko lang si Reaper. Andun siya sa may kapitbahay namin. Ayan, nakikipaglaro dun. Kasama yung bata. Good morning everyone! Welcome to another vlog. This is the continuation of the vlog yesterday kasi hindi ko na siya natapos dahil wala naman masyadong ganap. But today is another day. It's Saturday, January 11. And yeah, still may snow yung ground. Hindi na siya umuulan ng yellow pero full of snow pa rin. Plan ko magpalit na ng bedsheets today. Then tomorrow do the laundry. Ayun, so, eto, yan, tinutulak ko lang papunta ng basement dahil nandun ang aming laundry area. Nagpalabok ako kagabi. Hindi ko na na-videohan na yan, yung natirang sauce. Tapos may mga toppings pa ako dito. And the noodles. So, may chicharon pa ako dito, I think. Ano natira? Ito. Yan. Ito ang ating breakfast for today. And then, I know I got, yeah, extra boiled egg na niluto ko kagabi. I'm just making a hot chocolate. So, Swiss Miss. Isa na ako magkape. Pero hindi rin ako araw-araw nag-hot chocolate. Gusto ko lang. Parang ang sarap lang ng vibes. Cheers!
Wala na akong tipon.
Let's eat. Haluin lang natin. Let's get a calamansi. Pumitas tayo ng calamansi here. Babe, I got one. Binibilang niya kasi lagi yun. Sabi ko yung iba ginamit ko na. Tignan natin ang calamansi. Kain! Namiss ko yung palabok tuloy sa ano, Quiapo. Ang sarap naman palabok yun, no? Ito, mamasitas lang ginamit ko. Tapos, ano, may shrimp ako, pinakuluan ko lang. Ginamit ko yung shrimp broth. Pampalasa. Pero na-try ko na last time. This is my second time to cook this one. Pero yung last time, wala akong shrimp broth. Pero masarap pa rin. Masarap naman. So currently, I am just looking for new background musics. And, yun yung mga free musics from YouTube na pwede natin gamitin as background music nga. But then again, it's been how many? 3 times? 4 times ako na copyright. Although, sinasabi nila free music yun, non-copyright, pero ending naka-copyright. Ano ba yun? Ganun ba talaga dun? Kayo, basan kayo kumukuha ng mga free musics nyo? Kasi ako sa YouTube lang talaga. Then I saw one recipe. Kanina kasi nag-check ako kung ano pwede naming i-dinner later. And then I saw that like lemon, chicken thighs. Sakto meron kaming thighs dito sa freezer. Kaya ngayon tinathaw ko siya para later on ma-marinate na natin siya. And it's just simple. Tapos i-bake lang natin. And I will do the side dishes na lang. Probably mashed potato. We have like the French cut beans, green beans there, or probably the mixed veggies that I got previously. It sounds good. So ayan, pinapakain ko muna sila ng kanilang cereals. Puppy food and the milk. They're done. We're done, baby. Here. Come on, here. Eat. Dalawa, laro na laro. Uy! So, I'm currently preparing our dinner. Time check, it's already 4:34 p.m. And I got chicken thighs here. So, alisin ko lang yung mga excess na balat. Kasi, masyadong maraming balat yung mga thighs dito. I really like thighs. That's the, favorite part na gusto ko sa, sa chicken. Pero yung thigh nila dito kakaiba. Sobrang lalaki. Tapos, basta mauumay ka. Ayan. I just cut it into half kasi I'm planning to cook adobong atay ng manok. So, yan. Ilalagay ko yan. And then this one, gagawin kong lemon baked chicken. Ayan, naalisin ko lang yung mga excess na balat kasi ayaw niwarin ng balat din. So, I'm going to poke it para manuot yung lasa.
Some olive oil at both sides. Massage it. Some garlic powder. Ayan siya. Then massage it again. Onion powder. Next one is the salt-free dash. Mrs. Dash. Ayan. Lahat ng ating seasoning both sides, don't forget. Next is our chili. It should be chili flakes kaso wala akong available na chili flakes. Meron akong chili oil pero parang hindi bagay. So I'm going to use the chili powder. Ang malas. Ayan, sage. Black pepper. Konti lang kasi meron na namang Mrs. Fish. And of course, parsley. both sides din. Now, let's squeeze it with half of lemon. So, I'm now preparing for a side dish for my husband. And I got here the sliced potato for my potato salad. And then, I'm also going to chop these carrots. Yeah, there you go. These carrots in my food processor.
So I'm also now preparing my adobo. Of course, garlic with the skin. Yung balat sinasama ko kasi aroma din yun. And then I got my chicken and atay ng manok, oil, suka, at toyo. Then paminta. Then a little sugar. Yun lang. Kailangan natin magbawa. Tanda lang po tayo. Baka mag-iiri. Hinaan lang. Yan ang maluto. Pakpan lang natin in a low heat. Yan, mga dalawang ganito. Or 1.5. Yan. I will also add the chicken na pakuluan lang natin siya. Parang 3/4 cups. Hindi naman natin kailangan na maraming tubig dahil madali lang naman siyang maluto. Although yung chicken kailangan natin lutuin. Over muna natin. Hayaan natin kumulo. Tapos maglalagay tayo ng suka. Parang 1 teaspoon. Vinegar. So, huwag tatakpan. Hayaan lang kumulo. So, while waiting for our adobo, I will already prepare for our potato salad. So I got this crushed carrots. Ano ba yun? Naglo-loading ako. Potatoes, i-combine lang natin. Combined everything. I also got pickled relish here. Yeah, I need not too much, probably 1 scoop. And then I also have some sugar. Not too much, probably half of this thing, just a pinch. Then I will have some honey mustard. Some mayonnaise. Ito yung salad dressing. Wala to sa ibang supermarket. Only IGA. So pumupunta pa kami doon para lang bumili nito. Then last, let's put mild cheddar. Then salt and pepper to taste. Don't forget. Then mix everything. Very good.
So back to our adobo. I just need to check the atay. I probably removed it. Yan, probably okay na siya. Tsaka malulong na. So, whoops. We will pan fry it later para toasted. You know me. Perfect.
So now boiling the mixed veggies, and then I will saute it with butter. And then I already prepared the marinated lemon baked chicken natin na i-bake natin for 350 Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Everything is ready and Warren is on the way home for about 5 minutes. And this is the adobo. Good morning, everyone. It's another vlog day and it's Sunday, January 12 here in Kentucky, USA. Currently, the sun is out. It's a sunny day. Yeah. But still may snow pa dyan, pero nagme-melt na sila. They are starting to melt. And currently, I am doing laundry as usual. May promise ako sa inyo, di ba, papakita ko sa inyo yung aking ginagamit. Although hindi naman perfect yung mukha ko, alam ko marami akong imperfections dyan. Pero, just so you know, baka tanungin nyo lang, ganun. Ayan. Kung kayo ay aking followers, subscribers since 2016 na nag-start ako mag-vlog, alam nyo na nagko-collect ako ng mga makeups and all. Pero currently, ito yung mga makeup items ko. Kasi yung karamihan sa kanila iniwan ko na sa Manila. For my skincare ritual, this serum is really good. The vitamin C serum from CeraVe. Maganda siya, guys. Tapos, meron din akong Mario Badescu. Ito yung ni-spray ko lagi kapag maga and nighttime. And my sunblock will be moisturizer and sunblock. Itong Olay. Maganda rin naman siya. Pero, I don't know. Okay lang for me. Probably 8 out of 10. Itong O2O maganda. Ayan, maganda siya. UV sun protection. Tapos ito, hindi ko pa natatry. Pero baka itry ko na siya mamayang gabi. Yan. Vitamin C serum din to from Precision Beauty. Ito ay nabili ko sa TJ Maxx din. I got my brushes, my hair something. Yan. Medyo magulo pa. Sorry. Ayan. So, siguro umpisa natin dito. Meron tayong primer from Rimmel. Ayan. Tapos, meron din tayong pangmalakasang Revlon Age Defying Foundation. Ito ginamit ko sa kasal ko. Tapos, minsan ginagamit ko rin siya. Parang, ano lang, konti lang. As in, pampa-cover lang. And then, ito is, blush on stick from O2O din. Maganda rin siya. And then, ito maganda din to. Sales Lady. Yan, maganda rin siya. Para siyang BB cream. Ayan, CC Cushion pala. CC Cushion. Meron din akong palette CoverGirl blush on. Tapos itong Believe Beauty US brand siya na eyeshadow. Nakita ko lang to dun sa palette box ko. Kinuha ko lang. Then Maybelline Master Contour Set. May blush on, contour, and highlight. Ito yung mga binili ko nung kasal ko. Ako lang nag-makeup sa sarili ko. And then Wet n Wild na eye palette. Pagkatapos, my brushes are here. Konti lang yung brushes ko. Meron pa ako ditong, ano ba ito? Inhaler. Pag masakit ulo, sa biyahe, yan lagi kong gamit. And then for my eyes, I still have, of course, my favorite Focallure. Paubos na siya. Isa na lang ata yung stock ko. Ang dami kong dinala dito sa US pero parang isa na lang ata yung stock ko or dalawa. So, Focallure Eyebrow Pencil. It's really nice. Tapos, meron din akong Sky High Mascara. May tweezers. Then, Maybelline Mascara uli. Ayan. Great Lash. Ito, hindi siya long lasting. Ito, hindi ko pa natatry. Maybelline din siya. Mega Blush Volume. Hindi ko alam kung long lasting to. Hindi ko pa na-try. And then, my curler. For my lippies, of course, CoverGirl Clean Fresh Tinted Balm. Maganda to. Ito lagi kong gamit. Tsaka meron pa akong isang shade. Di ko alam kung ano yun. Ito is You're the Palm. You're the Palm? You're the Palm. Ayan. Like pom-pom. Yan. So, ito medyo light. Yung isa parang cherry siya. And then also got Maybelline Matte Ink in the shade 15. Lover. And also, I got MAC. Ito from Manila pa to. Nabili ko pa to sa Manila. Hindi ko alam, number 1 siya. I don't know kung ano to, pero matagal na yan. Then, meron pa akong isang MAC dito. Ayan. Mga matte to, matte. Hindi ko mabasa yung ano shade. It's Burnt Spice yung shade niya. Ito medyo nagpipil ako dito, kaya hindi ko masyadong ginagamit. Pati ito, parang pale for me. Parang wala akong suot. And also, I got 3 Anastasia Beverly Hills long-lasting, what do you call it? Liquid lipstick. Matte to matte. I got the shade Dazed. What is this one? Dusty Rose. And this is my favorite. Hudson. Yeah, Hudson. And Hudson. And then, may lip liner din ako from Kylie Cosmetics. Ayan siya. Cocoa. Ayun. Cocoa. Taramnida. And comes naturally. And the third one is cinnamon. Ayan. So now, I'm done with the last batch of my laundry. That one. The towels. And, nilabas ko na rin yung beef na gagamitin ko for beef steak. Mag-beef steak ako ngayon for dinner kasi marami kaming lime. So, may lime ako doon. Meron din akong lime sa pantry. So, kailangan ko na silang magamit before mabulok. Ayun. So, syempre, meron ulit tayong luto cereal later. Kaya, abangan nyo. We will be cooking beef steak. I'm talking to my family back home. I will have to cut this in thin slices. Slicing the white onion. Slice it into rounds. So, ako kapag nagluluto ng beef steak, nilalagay ko na lahat bago ko pakuluan. So, I'm going to get some soy sauce. Probably 1.5 of this one. One and a half spoon. Ito yung spoon ko. Ito, wala namang buto tong lime na to. Dalawa na yung ilalagay ko para sure. Kasi gusto ko may malalasahan akong asim. Next, of course, water. Mga 3-4 cups lang. Kasi feeling ko malambot yung ating karne. Garlic powder. Optional lang siya, ha? Pan, pakuluan lang in high heat. At kapag kumukulo na siya, hinaan nyo na siya. Then wait kayo, probably, depende sa karne nyo. Ito siguro, I'll check it after 30 minutes. And pinansay ko lang yung beef and white onion, then we will put the sauce. And finish na! So I'll be ending this vlog na, guys. Thank you so much for watching our weekend. And bye!
Bye.
We'll see you on our next video.
Roger.